Hello everyone, welcome back to our class. In the last class, we had winded up our 5th chapter, Networking. Today, we will start our new lesson, Map Reading. In Standard 8 and 9, we became familiar with different simulation softwares that are helpful for supporting science subjects, right? We had also studied the GeoGebra software, which is very helpful for constructing various mathematical shapes. Now in this chapter, we are going to study different softwares that explains the various phenomena in social science. Let's start the chapter by knowing about the Sun Clock software. Sun Clock is a software which helps to analyze the time zones of the Earth and the movement of the Sun in detail. The software can be opened by clicking Applications, Education, Sun Clock. See, this is the window of Sun Clock. We can maximize it by using the Maximize button. Okay, we can see that a shade is there in some of the regions, right? This indicates day and night. The dark portion indicates night and the bright portion indicates the day. See, India is having daytime now. Okay. Children, this window is known as clock window of the software. It is the clock window of the Sun Clock software. Now, we can make changes only if we move to the map window. For that, click anywhere on the window. Just give a click anywhere. Then a menu bar will appear. Here we can see so many buttons. Okay, look at this menu bar. When we place the mouse pointer over each button, we can see its use. Clear? See, this is the Y button. We can hide or show sun and moon by using this button. Clear? Let's see. I gave a click on this button, then we can see the sun and the moon here. See? Okay, just give a click again. Moon will disappear. That is, we can hide and show sun and moon by using this button. Okay, we can make use of these two uses. Now, we will move to the map window. I had earlier mentioned that we will make changes only if we will move to the map window. For that, we are using this exclamatory mark. Just give a click on this exclamatory button. See, another window appears. This is known as the map window of the Sun Clock software. Okay, see, the name of the window can be seen here. Sun Clock map. We had already discussed the use of Y button. Now, we will move to another buttons. N is used to separate day and night. See the changes when I am clicking this button. Okay, when we click the button again, the separation will be seen. Clear? Next, T button. It is used to display or hide the main latitudes. See, do you know which are the main latitudes? Yes, equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. We can see these main latitudes when we click on this T button. Can you see these lines? Okay. See, this is the equator, then this is Tropic of Cancer. This line is Tropic of Capricorn. Now, at the top we can see Arctic Circle and at the bottom we can see the Antarctic Circle. Clear? T will display only the main latitudes. Now, to display the full latitudes, all latitudes, we can make use of this P button. See, when we give one more click to P button, the degrees will appear at the left side of the window. See, here we can see 10, 20, etc. Then at 23.5 degree, equator is seen. Clear all of you? Now, when we give a click again, the degrees will shift to the right side of the window. Listen, when we click P for the first time, all the latitudes will appear. Then at the second click, the degrees of the latitudes will appear at the left side of the window, and at the third click, the degrees will shift to the right side of the window, and at the fourth click, the latitudes will disappear. Next, M button. M is used to display all the longitudes. Here also, at the second click, the degrees of the longitudes will be seen at the bottom of the window, and at the third click, it will be shifted to the top of the window like this, and at the fourth click, it will disappear. Okay, children, it's time to wind up today's class. We just started to study a new software, Sun Clock, and its main tools. We will continue the lesson in our next class. Thank you for watching.